My insides all turn to ash, so slow, and blew away as I collapsed, so cold. A black wind took them away from sight, and held the darkness over day that night, and the clouds above moved closer, looking so dissatisfied, but the heartless wind kept blowing, blowing. I used to be my own protection, but not now, 'cause now